Trends are a big consideration when embarking on a tiling project. I'm going to talk you through 4 trends which are in fashion now but will stand the test of time. Building your scheme around a neutral tile will help give you a timeless look. Put a twist on traditional Scandi styling by using warm whites, tan leathers or monochrome accents. A current favourite is Macara white. Its subtle stripe adds depth and texture to a space. Aiton Grey's decor tile is perfect for creating a feature wall with a minimalist scheme. And Regional Reflections Dwyron mimics traditional slate in a contemporary 10x20 format. You can add instant drama to your home by using a darker colour palette. The Dartry scheme has a burnt wood effect which adds texture, which is really important when you're using inky tones. Dark green is a key colour in this trend. The subtle shimmer of speculo forest adds an element of lustre. For a large-scale project, Staunton's variegated surface helps to break up a darker scheme and looks amazing with brass or gold accents. Don't be afraid to layer different inky shades together. Different surface finishes like glass, wood or distressed concrete all add to the look. Industrial style has been redesigned with pared back and sophisticated raw materials. A contemporary take on concrete is to use the scratched effect like a brazio. Coupled with its semi-polished finish, it suits any style of room. Concrete doesn't necessarily have to mean large format. The macrame tile comes in a 20x20 and comes with a plain or a patterned option and adds a little femininity to an industrial look. Techno Bone is perfect for those looking for something a little brighter than traditional grey. The white tones bounce around the natural light. Concrete tiles are much easier to lay and more cost effective than concrete itself. Make sure you add some greenery in your scheme because the colour really makes the grey pop. Marble is very much in fashion, but are you a real or faux marble fan? The matte finish porcelain tile Pentelli is a little different to natural marble, offering a more variegated finish, which means it's suitable for both walls and floors and needs absolutely no maintenance. On a budget, the Tirano tile has 32 different prints, meaning that you don't have tiles repeating themselves, so it looks as close as you can to the real thing. Carrara is a fantastic natural marble. The delicate veining and snowy white base make it perfect for traditional and contemporary schemes. Marble doesn't have to be white. If you're feeling brave, go for a coloured marble, like a rich espresso brown or an emerald green, and make a real statement in your space.